Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating your database now. Open Keepass, choose New, and save a KDBX file where you back up safely. Pick a strong master password that you can remember. Alternatively, create a key file and store it offline. Use AES or CHA-CHA20 and increase KDF iterations to 1 million or more to slow brute force attacks. Once done, make a secure backup copy to a separate drive so you don't lose access if your device fails. Now add entries and structure the database. Create logical groups like email, banking, and work so you find items quickly. For each entry, paste the site URL, username, and use the built-in generator to create a unique password. Set length and character rules based on site requirements. Tag entries and set expiration if a password must rotate. Once organized, test a few logins and save changes. Make sure to use attachments for recovery code. Finish by syncing and enabling convenient access. Store the KDBX in a cloud folder with client-side encryption or sync manually between devices. Do not rely on plain uploads. Enable auto-type for quick logins or install the browser plugin and map associations. Test shortcuts and domain matching. If you cannot open the database, stop and try your key file and alternate backups. If that fails, restore an earlier encrypted backup. For any errors, check file permissions and KDF settings before drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.